Alright guys, let me say you're welcome on board. If you have an Apple AirTag and now you are looking for a way to set up your Apple AirTag, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. When you get your Apple AirTag new, the Apple AirTag will be protected from the battery. Then there's going to be a nylon protecting the battery from being activated. So, and if your Apple AirTag is an old AirTag or you'll be using it for a while, this is still the same. You just need to remove the Apple AirTag from an existing device and then try to set it up with another device. Now let me show you how to set up your Apple AirTag. So to set up Apple AirTag, it's as simple as bringing the Apple AirTag close to an Apple device like iPhone or iPad. Now once you bring your AirTag close to your iPhone, then you should see this pop-up. On the pop on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on connect. Then you should say name your AirTag. So you want to select what you want to put your AirTag on, whether it is backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphone, jacket, case, luggage, umbrella, wallet. You can even add a custom name. So a custom name could be your dog name. So in this case, let's say keys. Then click on continue. Then you should support that says AirTag is linked to your Apple ID account. Just click on agree. Then you should see connecting. Then after a couple of minutes, your AirTag is going to be connected to your iPhone. Then you should hear a chime from the AirTag once connected. Then now you should see the name of your AirTag, precision finding, play sound, share your AirTag. Then you can even view your AirTag in Find My app. So if you want to view your AirTag in Find My, go ahead and click on View in Find My app. Then you should see it here. However, if the name is not in your custom name, just click on the name. Then scroll up. Then come down and click on Rename Item. Now you can just select whatever you have here and then or choose custom name to rename your AirTag. You see that? Then give your AirTag whatever name you want to give it and then you're good. So that is exactly how to set up AirTag on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.